up, guys? I have a new sauce to try, and this one is really, really hot. It is Mad Dog's 357 Golden Edition 25th Anniversary. Yeah, I'm going to bite the bullet on this one. This thing has got a ton of hot stuff in it. We're going to go ahead and read what's in the bottle. They got a disclaimer here. I'm not going to read all that, just saying that I take full responsibility, blah, 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 that I know what I'm doing. This is hot. Let's go ahead and jump into the ingredients. Reaper, scorpions, ghost peppers, red wine vinegar, white distilled vinegar, fresh chopped onions, garlic, water, natural sugar, fresh lime juice, chili extract, and xanthan gum. It's a thickener. Oh gosh, this is gonna hurt. This is by Ashley's Food Company. David Ashley was kind enough to send this to me. We're gonna jump into this. I will put the links in the description. Oh man, you get a little gold bullet keychain. Put yourself out of your misery after you eat some of this. This is not going to be a mild sauce. Just open this top part open. This one's gonna hurt. Doesn't smell too hot. I've smelled things that smell a lot hotter. I got a nice, I don't smell it super hot, but I got a nice sweet pepper smell. Vinegar's coming through on it. The onions for sure. Here we go. Down the hatch. These super hot ones tend to scare me just for the fact that I know what may come with it. All right, here we go. I'm not wanting to put it in my mouth, man. Oh God. Oh, here we go. Cheers. Sweetness. God, I get some in my eye. Real burn in mouth. Let me calm down, if it will. Oh God. In my ears. My throat. Oh man. It's a violent throat burn from the extract. Got some sweetness from the Reaper, some of the vinegar up front, a little bit of onion before the extreme heat took over. It's still going strong. I did get a slight metallic taste from the extract, but it wasn't too overwhelming. I do get the violent burn from the extract, along with all the peppers that are in there too. Oh, oh God, that is so damn hot. Oh, oh God, it's just not letting up on the throat. Oh God. I sound like I'm in church right now. I'm like, oh God, oh Jesus. That's really hot, man. Excuse me, but I'm going to have to drink something. It's not helping. It's not going to help, but... just cold. Wow. That is hot, man. My lips hurt so bad, too. Dang it. This has said it's the turbocharged with No.9 Plutonium. I don't know if that's the 9 million Scoville plutonium. But I don't know. It's definitely well over 1 million. It's so hot. I can't stand it. Ooh. It's just, it hadn't peaked yet. It's just so dang hot. Woo! It's still in the throat, swirling in the mouth. It didn't help that I took a swig of beer. Mouth's on fire. Ears are burning and ringing. Please, just stop. Wow. That is, you want to use that as an additive in your foods. You don't want to just take full spoonfuls. I'm doing it as a taste test, but definitely using something of this caliber, you definitely want to add it into like chili, soup, stews. When you're making big pots of sloppy joes or things like that, use it in that. You don't want to just go plopping spoonfuls in your mouth, because right now, extreme burn. Kind of, my mind, I don't know what to do. I'm like, do I take another swig of beer? You know, whew. Calming down a little bit now. Definitely got the extreme extract burn to it. I could taste a little bit of the extract in there, but it was like for like 2 seconds, and then it was like the heat was just boom. And when you get the combination of those extreme Reaper, Scorpions, Boots, along with extract, that's a deadly combination. I really appreciate it, David. This is extremely hot, super hot sauce. I don't know if I'm going to get cramps from this. I tried to prepare the best I could. I ate a banana, had some cheese, some dairy products, had a sandwich. Tried to put some stuff in my belly, because I definitely don't want the cramps. That's not the fun part. It's coming down a little bit. Lips are still on fire. Wow. That is a doggone hot sauce. Very hot. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, dude. Yeah, if you were interested, I mean, you got to be careful with this sauce. If you're interested, you can go to ashleysfoodcompany.com. I will put the link in the description. This is Mad Dog 357 Golden Edition, their 25th anniversary, turbocharged with No.9 Plutonium. Hot sauce. I appreciate it, guys. I gotta go outside and run some laps or something. Jeez. I've calmed down a little bit. But I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day. I mean, my throat's still on fire. By all means, it has not gone away. It's starting to creep down into the stomach. So I'm probably going to have some issues. But with that said, I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.